Well, got a little noise in here. I don't know what it is. This thing still runs, but it makes a noise. It's going to be a little slow to start this morning probably because I don't have a choke on it. Alright, that's a popping sensation there. I don't know for sure, but I'm going to yank the head off of it. Well, probably won't yank it off. It's bright. Damn, get on. Yeah, it's got a little. Anyway, we're going to see about. See, it might have a head gasket busted. Don't know if it does or not, but we shall see. Yeah, here we have that. Let's see here. Okay. All right. There we go. And I shall probably lose some head bolts. Let's see, I'm taking nuts and stuff out of there. Well, it does look to me like that does look kind of like it's been leaking something right there. I could be wrong, but then I don't know. Yeah, I don't know why the head bolts look oogled. Now, I don't know. I don't know. I got another head gasket. I almost think I think it's been leaking there. Go grab another head gasket. It's not a new one, but I think it'll work. Well, I don't know what I've done with that gum old leg, but it's hurting this morning. Something's wrong here, something's wrong there, I guess. Okay. Well, now, I gotta go find me a rag to wipe that off with. I'll be back here in a little bit, because I gotta look around for that now. They're back. Let's see. This is a little bit of an overkill as far as rags go. Get some of that crap out of there. Yeah, let's see here. Now, I put the head gasket somewhere else where I could lose them. I know how I am sometimes. Let's see. Yeah, clean that off as best you can. Around there. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see here. Probably blow more dirt on it than it'll do any good if I use my air hose, but we shall do it anyway if we don't knock the tripod over. There. Now let's see here. What do the head look like? Pretty dirty. Some oil there in there. I know I got more oil than I need in this thing. I took the pump off of it, the oil injector pump, because I wasn't sure it was working correctly, so now I just mixed my gas and oil. And I went up to the store to get some gas and oil mix, which I usually pour my bottle of oil in, then put my gas in, kind of stick it up. Well, lo and behold, after I got the oil in, they didn't have any gas, so got a double shot. Can't do that. I tell you what, that was worth a dime, but I wouldn't give a nickel for another one just like it. I'll be back. I get something else to. All right. Well, that is one of my wife's kitchen knives. Actually, my ex-wife's kitchen knife, but it made a pretty good scraper. Let me get this thing out of the way here. Just get some of this excess crud off so that it will. Well, it's got a lot of crap on there. Get this out of here while we're at it, you know. Cleanliness is next to godliness, they say, so whatever. Que sera, sera. There. Yeah. Wait a minute, where's that thing? Here it is. Here it is. Oh, yeah, there it is. Get all this crap over here as much as I can. Yeah, as much as I can there. Yeah, let's see now. We can do some good here. Yeah. You know, thinking about buying this stuff. It's kind of high, but it does a good job of cleaning stuff. But I was when we was up to that swap meet the other day, we stopped at a little store there, and the wife went in, and I stayed in the car, and I got thirsty. So I went over to the little vending machine, and I'd kind of been having enough soda all day, so decided I'd get some water, and they had them little pint bottles, $1.50 a piece. Well, since I didn't have nothing better to do when I got back in the car, I figured this out. And buying water like that, you're paying $12 a gallon. And that's just a little bit what I call outrageous, you know. And a lot of people think, well, that's safer water, but I heard in one case where they get that right out of the cities, whatever town they're in, they get that right out of the city's water supply, so you ain't get no better water than you had before. Okay, now, I don't know, let's see. Okay, so the cover bolt's on. This is the cover, it's a little crusty too, get on here like that. So that cover bolt's on, does it bolt onto this? Yes, it does, it bolts onto this thing, so I am thinking that goes like that. So this, see, I didn't pay attention how it come off, that's the way it goes. Damn it, quit that. Alright, now, where's my good gasket? I don't want to put the old one back on again. That was pretty good shape. I know one thing, I better order another one. Because that's a used one too. Alright, I'm pretty sure it goes like this here. So we shall see how it works. There's that. And these don't have any washers on them. So try to get them started down there, little big thumble fingers like that. Yeah, there's that one, and there's that one, and here's this one. I got the sniffle this morning, so kind of overlook it. I don't normally like to be snorting and sniffing on the videos because it kind of tends to be a little obnoxious. But in this case here, I can't really help it. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's see here. Let's see if I can get that started this way. It should be able to start. It's got that little thing on it there. Yeah, okay, so they're started now. Kind of warm out here, of course, but I should have, instead of laying there taking a nap, after the wife went to work, I should have gotten out here and got the program. Now, so we're going to torque these down now. Oops, what the hell we got here? Oh, okay. That's actually a half. That's actually a 13. I'm using a half on it. So I may have to go find a 13. For the most part. Well, I don't know if that's for trouble or not, though. Usually, that one pulled down better. It's still slipping, but I guess that's what you use for a torque wrench. When I get down far enough that it jumps over, then it's probably enough. Shoot. I don't know. See, we still got that popping carrying on here. I think it's tight enough. It's, I don't know, considerably better, but I'm not saying it's perfect yet. I don't know. I'm going to say it's all right. It still sounds to me like the same thing, but I don't know. Who am I to worry about that? Now this thing here is supposed to go over here. Pull that thing off. Get that out of the way first. Get on here like this here. Down in there somehow or the other. It's not easy to get in, but I will get that in later on. But there's no sense in me fighting with that here and you guys having to watch it. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and subscribing.